So this is where we left Zoro for his staycation before we left for ours. This is Dog Nation, which is in Bangalore, where they do boarding, daycare, agility courses, swimming sessions, everything and anything. And I think he had a lot of fun here for sure, no doubt about it. We just dropped Zoro at the dog boarding place, which is called Dog Nation in Bangalore, and now we have checked into Shangri-La, and we are just waiting for my brother and my sister-in-law to join us, and then we shall do a room tour. So I decided to shoot few outfit posts for the gram and just for the reels, and yeah, so this is what my plan of action was. And then post 6 we decided to just chill and play some board games that we had carried with us with my brother and sister-in-law. Some wine and board game at it for hours and hours together. This is what we're playing. This is Ticket to Ride, and it's fun. I don't know if any one of you have tried this, but yeah, it's fun with a group of people. It's been 2 hours and we are still at it because our trains are yet to be connected. Day 2, the moment we were waiting for the breakfast time. Yes. It was pretty windy that morning and we could see like puris and food that is light on the plate flying from one table to another. And post that, after chilling for a bit, we went to Dog Nation to pick up Zoro from his boarding and head back home. Zoro. Zoro. What's up? Anyways, so we got him home, then we had to give him a bath, and it's a tiring job, let me tell you that. So we got back. It was a 1-day staycation thing and we had to pick him up as well right on time. That was how we spent our Sunday. And then because of COVID, most of the places were shut inside Shangri-La, so we couldn't use the spa, we couldn't chill at their restaurant, and we had to order in. And because there were times when we swiggied and we had got something with ourselves as well, and waited for the large breakfast like any other middle class Indian citizen. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to show some love, like, share, and subscribe.